Stop using your Samsung wrong. Try these 7 features. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock 7 powerful Samsung features that most people completely ignore. Today, I'm showing you 7 amazing Samsung features, some new, some classic, that will completely change how you use your phone. Now, let's begin. It's late at night, your room is dark, and your phone is charging on your desk. Instead of a boring black screen, imagine your phone softly lighting up with a clean, beautiful clock. The time is always visible, notifications are subtle, and there's no need to touch your phone. Open the Play Store and search for Standby Clock, Desk and Night Clock. Install the app and open it. And you'll see multiple clock styles. You can choose portrait or landscape mode, enable photos, weather, or music controls, and customize brightness for night use. Once set up, just place your phone sideways while charging. It instantly turns into a smart desk or bedside clock. No unlocking, no distractions, just useful information. This alone makes your phone feel brand new. Other is hidden albums are not deleted. You open your gallery and suddenly only see a few albums. Panic hits. You think your photos are gone, but they're not. Samsung has a feature called Essential Albums that hides most folders by default. Here's how to fix it. Open the Gallery app, tap the menu, go into Settings, scroll down and find Select Essential Albums. Turn this option off. Now, go back and all your albums instantly reappear. No files were deleted. One small toggle saves you from a heart attack. Another feature is call forwarding. You're busy, your phone is in another room, and an important call comes in, missed. That's where call forwarding becomes extremely powerful. Open the phone app, tap the 3 dots, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Supplementary Services. Tap Call Forwarding. You can now choose options like Always Forward, Forward when busy, or Forward when unanswered. Enter the number you want calls forwarded to, maybe your second phone or office number, and enable it. Use Secure Folder to hide apps, photos, and files. Secure Folder creates a completely separate locked space inside your phone where you can hide apps, photos, videos, documents, and even accounts. This feature has been available on Samsung Galaxy phones for years, including older models. How to set it up step by step. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Biometrics and Security. Tap Secure Folder, sign in using your Samsung account. Set a lock type like PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Try Screen Pinning feature. Handing your phone to someone and worrying they'll start snooping? Screen pinning solves this. Open Settings, go to Biometrics and Security, tap Other Security Settings, turn on Screen Pinning and enable PIN or pattern to unpin. Now open any app, tap the Recent Apps button, tap the app icon, and choose Pin this app. The phone is now locked to that app only. No notifications, no switching apps. To exit, you must enter your PIN. This is perfect for privacy and works on older Samsung models. One-handed mode. Big screens are great until you try using them with one hand. Open Settings, go to Advanced Features, tap One-Handed Mode and enable it. Now simply swipe down from the bottom of the screen and the entire interface shrinks so you can reach everything with one hand. Last feature includes Smart Power Saving. Older Samsung phones can still last much longer with smart power control. Open Settings, go to Battery and Device Care, tap Battery, then Power Saving, enable background app limits and adaptive power saving. This reduces unnecessary background usage, keeps your phone cooler, and gives you extra hours of battery life without slowing down daily use. And there you go, 7 Samsung features that most people ignore, but once you start using them, your phone feels smarter, faster, and more powerful. If this video helped you or you learned something new, please like it and subscribe for more Samsung tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.